I have the original Oneway sharpening kit for the Easy Core cutters, but I don't use their standard sharpening jigs. As I've shown and mentioned before, I use the Powermatic for flattening the face, and for the cutting edges, I use Stuart Betty's universal grinding platform along with the gauges included in that set. This time, using the original Oneway cutter holder, we will sharpen everything on the universal grinding platform. I take a marker and highlight all the faces and edges that need sharpening. To flatten the face, I press the cutter firmly against the diamond wheel and adjust the grinding platform to match the base angle. I didn't use the setup gauges from the kit to find the angle. I believe the method described above is the most optimal. To sharpen the cutting edges, I set the platform to 80 degrees and proceed to grind the two facets. As before, I still find flattening the face on the Powermatic to be more optimal, but I've demonstrated this alternative method as well. It's just as effective.